Well, if you're not happy with your smile and maybe you're a little frustrated in dealing with your dentures, maybe it's time to consider dental implants. Dr. Kevin Gasser of Gasser Dental Implants is here with how he's changing lives one smile at a time. And along with him is one of those new smiles. I want you to meet patient Janet Jameson joining us here this morning. First of all, Dr. Gasser, I want you to explain to everybody at home what you specialize in, and you call it the all-on-4 procedure. And what does that mean exactly?
Well, it's an innovative procedure which allows us to provide dental implants in permanently anchored teeth in one surgical visit.
Wow.
Here you can see that most of the time we're removing the natural teeth. After that's done at the same appointment, we can actually put the implants in very gently, usually with IV sedation, so the patient's very comfortable and very relaxed.
Okay.
And then we work on the procedure at the same appointment of making these permanently anchored implant teeth, which really is an amazing paradigm shift and incredible technology that we didn't have before. So you can really change a person's life in a single day.
Absolutely,
Right.
absolutely. Now we're looking at this procedure and how it's done, and I know when Janet first came to you, she had some pretty serious issues going on. What were they? She
did. She had some of the things that we see most frequently. We would actually describe her problem as terminal teeth. The natural teeth had kind of run their course. There was really nothing else anybody could do to save them and prolong them, so the better choices involved removing them and providing natural looking, natural functioning implant teeth in the same day.
Okay, so here's the thing, Janet. You knew that you were at that point, and you've been through this for many years trying to combat the problem. And that point you needed to make a decision. And something that you said to me a moment ago that I found fascinating, it's in your family's DNA, it's a rule. You have to do the research. Tell me what you did and how you came across Dr. Gasser.
Well, in our family, if there's going to be any major procedures done, you have to find the best of the best. And so Dr. Gasser's name was presented to me by a friend of mine, and I went online and I did some research on him. I read his bio, went through his education, his training, as I did with anybody else. And I made an appointment. I went in, and I was amazed that he spent that much time with me. He did an x-ray, and he sat me down in his chair, and he outlined my options. And I had all the information I needed within about an hour and a half.
I just got goosebumps. I really did, because the way you described that, it's a major procedure that anyone would have.
Yes.
And good for you for doing your due diligence. And when you sat down with Dr. Gasser and he said, this is the procedure for you, was there hesitation?
I'd never heard of it, no. I was curious. So I said, what is all-on-4 and what does that mean? He said, I think you're a great candidate for this. And he described it, and he had my x-rays up in front of me on a screen so I could see, and he showed me how everything would be done. And he said, I really think this would be the most amazing for you, Jan.
And if you look at camera 9 right now and give us a big, beautiful smile, because since then you've got a new job, you have a career going, and it's that confidence.
Yes.
And Dr. Gasser, thank you for bringing in Janet.
It's a pleasure.
And thank you for being you. Janet, you look amazing. And guess
you.
what? Dr. Gasser also brought a special offer for our Sonora and Living viewers. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to give you a free iCat scan and a no obligation consultation. Think you might be a great candidate? Well, guess what? That is a $475 value savings right there. Here's how you find out. Dr. Gasser Dental Implants is located at 17220 North Boswell Boulevard. That's Suite 200W in Sun City. Here's the phone number to call. Make that appointment, 623-972-8217. Learn more at drgasser.com.